Welcome back to Auto Wheels Reviews. Today, we're diving into a one-of-a-kind vehicle that blends adventure with compact living, the Tricycle RV Camper. Is it practical? Is it worth the hype? Stick around as we explore every detail. The first thing you notice is the camper unit attached to the rear, designed to combine mobility and convenience. The sleek yet functional design is perfect for solo travelers or couples looking for a minimalist RV experience. From a build quality perspective, the materials feel sturdy. The outer shell is weather-resistant, ensuring you're protected no matter the conditions. Its compact dimensions make it ideal for narrow roads and even off-the-beaten-path adventures. Let's talk about performance. Powered by insert engine motor specifications, this trike offers a surprisingly smooth ride. The handling is intuitive, and even with the camper attached, the weight distribution feels balanced. It's not a speed demon, but that's not the point. It's about enjoying the journey at a relaxed pace. Inside the camper, you'll find a surprisingly well thought out layout. There's enough space for a cozy sleeping area, some storage, and even a compact kitchenette. While it's not luxurious, it covers all the basics for short trips. The ventilation system and optional solar panel setup make it even more versatile for off-grid camping. Setting up at your campsite is quick and hassle-free. The unit extends slightly to give you more headroom, and there's even an optional awning for extra outdoor space. Whether you're camping in the woods or parking near a beach, it feels like a tiny home on wheels. As for fuel efficiency, the Tricycle Camper shines compared to traditional RVs. It sips fuel, making it an eco-friendlier choice and a great option for budget-conscious travelers. However, it's worth noting that the camper's weight can slightly impact mileage, especially on steep terrains. So, who is this for? If you love exploring at your own pace, value compact living, and don't need tons of space, the Tricycle RV Camper is a game changer. It's not perfect, it won't replace a full-size RV, but it fills a unique niche in the travel world. That wraps up our review of the Tricycle RV Camper. What do you think? Could this be your next adventure vehicle? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more reviews on unique rides. Until next time, happy traveling!